What's up? It's your boy Christian here, back at you for a brand new unboxing on SneakerTalk, and today I wanted to share with you guys what might be one of the best, if not the best, fall sneaker for 2019. Now the homies over at Adidas sent these over, and I gotta say thank you, because without them this video would not be possible. They sent over a couple of colorways, but these are all solid options for the fall season. So depending on your style, maybe you're a loud high-key person who wants their shoes to do a lot of the talking, or if you're more of a low-key person who wants to subtle flex with their shoes, or a person who just likes a well-coordinated outfit, one of these options might be for you. So with that said, here is the blue Adidas Originals box right here. Let's pop open this lid, and here we have it. These are the Adidas Ozweego, and we have a small little note here as well. So the letter reads, Christian, the past is just the beginning. How we use it is our story. Hashtag Ozweego, powered by the past. New colorways available from August 8th. Bam! Here we have it, the Ozweego for 2019. Now, if you know about the shoe, you would know that this isn't the first time that Adidas has brought this shoe out. Now, this is like a new updated version of it, but this shoe is actually inspired by the 1998 version, the Ozweego 3, the Adidas Ozweego 3, way back in the 90s. These will definitely have some strong, like, running shoe 90s vibes, and if you're into that whole funky midsole kind of look, you like those like ridges on it, you like all the details on it, this is a sneaker you might want to check out. Bringing the Adidas Ozweego up close, you guys will get to see a bunch of different materials on this sneaker. Now, a majority of the shoe uses this black mesh upper, which is very light, very breathable, and then you also have hits of suede on the panels right above of the white midsole, and you'll also see small hits of leather on the tongue as well with the Adidas trefoil branding. Now, bringing it back to the midsole, this white midsole on this core black shoe really pops. It's just, it's loud, it's obnoxious, it's curvy, it has all of these like weird textures and designs in it. So if you're still a fan of that clunky, big, chunky dad shoe trend, but you wanted something a little more slimmed down, the Ozweego is definitely like that nice in-between place, I want to say. Another detail I really like about this shoe is that it has this like straw-like material that runs through the lacing area, and it wraps around to the back of the shoe where it actually says 2098 Ozweego Adidas. So really small little detail there, but I do like it about the shoe. Now, before I throw these on feet and talk about sizing and comfort, I want to let you guys know that this is easily one of those shoes you can just tie once and never have to tie again after that, because this neoprene material around the sock liner just makes it easy for your foot to just slide right in. Let's throw these on feet and show you guys what these look like. Now, in terms of comfort, sizing, and materials on the midsole, these sneakers use Adidas Adidas technology. Now, if you're not familiar with Adidas, they use it on a ton of other Adidas original sneakers, and it really provides really good comfort for all day wear. Now, when it comes to Adidas, some people will strictly wear only sneakers that have boost on them, but in my opinion, Adidas holds up really well. You've seen it before on other models like the Adidas Yeezy 500, so if you're familiar with those, if you know how those feel on feet, you will not be disappointed at all. Now, in terms of sizing, I typically wear a size 10 in most of my sneakers, but for this particular shoe, I opted to go for a size 9.5, half a size down. So if you can try these on in store, I definitely recommend you guys try them on in store, but I personally go half a size down, but you can't go wrong with going your regular true size. So that's the first colorway, the core black one I wanted to show you guys, but there's two other colorways that I really like, and I want to show them to you guys right now. We have this white colorway right here. So if you were going for more of a cleaner fit, maybe you have more hits of whites, or if you're going for a springy, summery kind of look, the Ozweego in this white colorway, definitely something you might want to check out. It also has hits of green on the three stripes, along with some hits of blue, and it has the same sort of mixture of materials as the core black colorway. So you're getting a mixture of mesh, suede, and leather. So we have leather right here on the tongue. We have hits of suede on the blue panels right here, along with this like sort of beige suede, and there's also hits of 3M. If you guys see this sort of gray material, not necessarily a 3M, but it's like a reflective material, and I gotta say it pops, especially at nighttime, and you can see that small little accent wraps around the shoe. I love these things, and these definitely have more of a throwback kind of vibe, especially with the sort of sailor off-white creamy midsole. It's not a pure white, as you can tell. The white on the mesh is more of a paper white, while the whites on the midsole right here is more of a creamy beige. And lastly, bam, this right here is the loudest colorway I have seen for the Adidas Ozweego. This is like the green neon neon green colorway. These things are loud, these things are bold. If you're a person who likes to wear loud sneakers, this is the colorway for you. Maybe you missed out on a certain hyped release that was super loud and super green like this. This is definitely a great alternative in my opinion. And these are available at select retailers as well. I'll leave links to the Adidas website down below if you guys want to check them out. You can wear this with like a basic outfit or an all black outfit. But yeah, I understand if you guys don't like this particular colorway. It's a bit much for some people. So here are all three colorways I showed you guys today. We have the green colorway, we got the white colorway, we have the black colorway, and there's a ton more others, so I'll leave them all linked down below. Check out your local Adidas store. And for the comment question of the day, I'd love to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. Let me know which colorway you guys like the most. The green one, the white one, the black one, and I'll be sure to feature your comment in an upcoming video. With that said, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you again, Adidas, for sending these bad boys over, the Adidas Ozweego, in store right now. And also, if you guys want to see how I style these, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at SneakerTalkCA. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.